Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're comparing Housecall Pro and Markate, so popular service apps in 2025. If you're running a service business and trying to decide which app fits your best needs, I'll break down the key features and difference to help you market at the right choice. Housecall Pro is known for its user-friendly design and powerful automation tools. It helps you to schedule job, dispatch technicians, and process payments smoothly. One of its strengths is built-in customer communication, automated reminders, reviews, and easily payment option to keep your clients happy and engaged. The mobile app is solid, making it easy for your team to update job status on the go. Markate, meanwhile, offers a strong focus on invoicing and payment processing. It has features like digital contracts, recurring billing, and integrated payment solutions, making it great for businesses that need tight financial management. Markate also includes marketing tools and customer management features to help you grow your client base. Both platform offers scheduling, job tracking, and customer management, but Housecall Pro leans more into workflow automation, while Marketing focuses more on invoicing and billing flexibility. Price-wise, House Pro Call can be a bit pricier but offers a more comprehensive all-in-one solution. Marketing is often more affordable, especially if you're invoicing if your top priority. So if you want to an app balance scheduling and customer communication with ease, Housecall Pro is a solid choice. But invoicing and payment flexibility are your main concern, Markate might be the better fit. Thanks for watching. If this helps you to decide between Housecall Pro and Markate, be sure to like, leave your questions in the comment, and subscribe for more field service and app reviews. Catch you in the next video.